That's why I decided to come again this year, because I love the way the speakers spoke. It was nice. I learned a lot of things, and I would love to come next year again.
I was here last year, and I must tell you, this is one of the largest gathering in Ilorin. You have to feel the vibe. So it was an awesome experience, I must say, because last year was a very good experience for me, and this year is much bigger. Meeting different people, different friends, old friends and new friends, and making different type of connections. So I must tell you, I actually really enjoyed it.
So DevFest was very fun. I loved the workshop that happened on Thursday, and today's show was very great. I listened to a lot of speakers and speak about it, and I was able to connect with a lot of people. So I'm looking forward to the next DevFest.
My experience at DevFest has been awesome. I've learned a lot from the speakers, and I've had the opportunity to connect with a lot of tech gurus in the industries.
Right, it has been a very good one. I've enjoyed this event very much. Starting from the workshops to today, the main event itself has been full of, a lot of things to learn. I've learned a lot virtually from the speakers and to topics they've talked about generally. Compared to last year's DevFest, this is way bigger, and I thank God I'm a part of this. I really enjoyed this. Yes.
This is my first time of attending DevFest Ilorin 2024, and it is really exciting. It was really encouraging. I really learned a lot. I learned how to network, because I'm really someone that I'm really shy. I don't really know how to associate with others, but I learned that selling yourself to people, letting others know about what to do, it's going to really help you, and network with others both in your tech field and also those that are not in your tech field as well.
It's been an amazing time at DevFest Ilorin 2024, from day one with our exciting and interactive panel session to day 2 with our private network, and day 3, the main event, where we had exciting and interactive panel session with lined up industry expert speakers. Trust me when I say that DevFest Ilorin 2024 was a huge success.